Hello, my name is Selena. Welcome back to ViewSonic London headquarters. Today we'll be unboxing our first high brightness LED projectors, the X1 and X2, part of our X series. X1 and X2 are really similar in terms of specs, the main difference being their flow ratio. So let's take a look at what's in the box. First you will see the quick start guide, the remote control, the power cable including UK plug and U plug, a USB Type-C cable, and then the projector. Now we're just removing all the packaging, and now we can take out the projector. Both X1 and X2 are equipped with third generation LED technology, which offers a lifespan of 30,000 hours without any lamp replacement or dimming brightness over time. LED technology is also mercury-free and usually consumes less power than a lamp-based projector. The X1 and X2 have one of the highest brightness in our LED range with 3100 LED lumens and comes in 1080p Full HD resolution with HDR support. They both offer incredible color performance thanks to ViewSonic's proprietary Cinema Super Color Plus technology with 125% Rec 709. Their higher contrast ratio delivers deeper blacks, clearly showing the shades in images and letting you see more details in dark scenes and more liveliness in bright scenes. As with all the models in our X series, the X1 and X2 are equipped with built-in Armor Kardon speakers, providing crisp, clear and powerful audio performance for movies, live concerts, sports or gaming. Setup is very easy with both models thanks to horizontal and vertical keystone and 4-corner adjustment. The X1 is also equipped with vertical lens shift for more flexibility and offers a 100-inch screen from 2.55 meters, while X2 being a short flow ratio delivers a 100-inch screen from only 1.53 meters. The X1 and X2 are smart projectors equipped with Wi-Fi for wireless screen mirroring and/or casting from your phone or other smart devices. They also come with Bluetooth connectivity to either use your projector as a speaker or to connect your Bluetooth headphones to enjoy your personal cinema experience. Other connectivity includes audio in and audio out, one RS-232 port, two USB Type-A, two HDMI 2.0, and one USB-C port, all situated at the back of the projector. The X1 or X2 are the best projector for you if you're looking for an affordable home projector solution that can deliver an incredible audio and visual experience even in a brighter setting. If you're limited in terms of space, the X2 will be even more suitable for you thanks to its short flow ratio. That was the first look at our X1 and X2 projectors. For more information, please check the link in the description. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.